Your headlights are lying to you. You think they're just a little cloudy, but in reality, they're quietly killing your visibility at night and your car's resale value. And if you're about to waste money on one of those $20 magic wipes, stop. They don't last. I'm about to show you how to restore your headlights permanently the right way, so you'll never have to do this again. Hey, I'm Jack Turner, your neighborhood car mechanic for the last 10 years, and on FixMyRide, we turn scary, expensive car problems into quick DIY wins that save you hundreds, sometimes thousands. Today, you're not just fixing headlights. You're taking back control of your car's safety and style. First, protect your paint. Mask off around the headlight with tape. Think of it as your car's eye surgery. You don't want to scratch the eyelids. Clean off the dust. Any dirt left here is like rubbing sand into your headlight. And not in a fun, beach vacation way. Spray the headlight with water and start with 600 grit sandpaper going horizontally. You're aiming for a white, uniform haze. That's the old, dead plastic coming off. Now switch to 800 grit, but go vertically. We're removing the scratches from the previous pass. Then it's 1200 grit horizontal, 1500 grit vertical, 2000 grit horizontal, and finally 2500 grit vertical. It's like dating. You're not rushing to the finish line. You're building up to something beautiful. Here's the thing, skip a grit and you'll regret it later. Don't ask me how I know. Shake your polishing compound, add 4 to 5 pea-sized dots, spread it at low speed, then bump it up and let the magic happen. This is the moment where you'll see your headlight coming back to life. And yes, it's just as satisfying as it sounds. Wipe away the compound, remove your tape, and clean the area. Now here's the secret to making this permanent. Wax it, spray the wax on your applicator, rub in circles, wait for that haze, then buff with a clean microfiber towel. You've just sealed it against UV rays, oxidation, and time itself. Stand back and enjoy what feels like a brand new car staring back at you. If you just saved yourself $200 on new headlights, give yourself a pat on the back. You've kept your car safer, better looking, and you did it with your own two hands. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world car fixes, and drop a comment telling me what you just restored. And before you go, there's one more thing you should know. Even with perfect headlights, you could still be ruining your car without realizing it. I've got a video called 5 Things You Should Never Do in an Automatic Transmission Car. It could save you thousands. Click right here and I'll see you there.